So yesterday we discussed about the structure construction of the cell and the bulb. What are the different parts present to the cell and the bulb we discussed. Today we are going to discuss about the story of the bulb. What is that today? The story of the bulb. What is this story of the bulb? Yesterday itself I told you. Who invented the bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb. How many experiments he did, you know? He did thousands of thousand above inventions are there. Not one invention, not one discovery. He is having thousands of inventions. Do you know? He is having a mind that if anyone discuss in front of him anything, he will have number of questions. You also will do that one, you know. If teacher is telling something immediately, teacher, I have doubt, teacher. Teacher, why it happened like that, teacher? Why it should not happen like this, teacher? Why that, teacher? Why this, teacher? So who is having this type of nature, they can become scientists. Okay? So you identify in you how many scientists are there. Okay? Then who is questioning like this? Who is having the interest of questioning? Means simply questioning and living is not that one. Okay? The question what you are asking, the number of questions what you are asking for teacher, what you are asking for your parents, what you want to know, first try to find out the answer for that one. He is not having only, that is inquisitive mind. Means not only having the type of asking questions, but he like to know the answers for that. So not only Thomas Alva Edison, but number of scientists did invention to find out the bulb. But finally, it came to the consideration that Edison invented the bulb. To invent this bulb, first what he did means, as I said for you yesterday, this metal plate was there, no? First what is it? Metal frame was there, no? To this metal frame what he did means, he connected a platinum wire. What he did? He connected a platinum wire and he tested that one. And he arranged all the things and he connected this and he switched on. Nothing happened. The filament got heated, but the light did not glow. So what I should do? I had to take some other step. Means I think here the air is passing through this filament. Because of this air, the light did not glow up. So what I should do means, near to this filament, whatever air is present, I have to remove that and I want to switch on the light, he thought. So what he did means, to this he arranged a glass chamber. Did you understand? To this what he did, he arranged a glass chamber and again he placed a platinum wire and he switched on that. What happened, you know? Suddenly, for his surprise, for 2 seconds, it lighted up and burned again. But see the difference. First time when he used the filament without the glass chamber, only the filament burned up but it did not give any light. But the second case what he thought, no, something is stopping this one. What is that something stopping means? He thought that the air is stopping here. So I have to do something for this one. And what he did means, he arranged a glass chamber to this one and he lit it. Then he saw that for 2 seconds, the light was blown up. So he was happy. Oh, something supported that one. Let me change this and try once again, he thought. Okay, then what he did means, for the next time, I think he used cotton wire. Okay, cotton thread he used. No, here to his delight something was there for 8 minutes also. Yes, so again what he did means, again he tried with this platinum wire, little bit thicker he took and he tried again the light glowed for 8 minutes. So what is happening? Slowly the time was increasing. Did you get it? he tried for 2 seconds. Next time when he tried, it went for 8 minutes. So again what he did means, he removed this platinum wire and he connected this with cotton, means cotton wire. Suited with metal, suited with cotton wire, he tried. So at that moment what happened, you know, the light blown for 48 hours. What is this 48 hours means? For 2 days, non-stop. For 2 days, the light blown. So he was so happy. Yes, I succeeded. 2 seconds, first 0 improvement. Next 2 seconds improvement. Next 8 seconds improvement. Next 48 hours improvement. So he thought, let me change again and try it, he thought. So what he did means, what I should do next, how can I take a step, he is thinking it seems. So summer season started. One of the man is sitting near Edison and he is fanning it seems. You know, in summer when power cut was there, ఏం చేస్తాం విసనకర్రతో విసురుకుంటాం కదా, which is made with bamboo fiber. So next he changed this filament to bamboo fiber. Okay. Then to his delight, number of days the bulb glowed it seems when he used this bamboo fiber. For many days the bulb glowed. So he thought, again he changed that wire, this wire, this wire, that wire, that, this. For every, he tried by using number of metals and fibers with this filament, and finally he concluded that, means he has to check, no? So finally he concluded that cotton is the best one in all the things. Cotton wire is the best one in all the fibers, he thought. So like this, he did lot of hard work to invent the bulb. So after that what happened means, finally now what we are doing means, we removed all this. So after that number of people will be there, now who will do research on that. Finally now they are using tungsten metal in all the bulbs. Now what is the filament which we are using? It is the tungsten. Got the point? Here comes in your textbook the story of the bulb. What you have to do? The invention, how he did hard work, how he succeeded. You have to underline how many inventions he did. Invented more than 1000 inventions. See in your textbook it was there. Okay. And after that he used platinum wire. Okay. And next he used again the platinum wire. He covered that one with a glass chamber. For his delight, 8 long minutes it the light glowed. After that he took a cotton thread coated with soot. Then the bulb glowed for 45 hours. Again he changed that and went with bamboo filament. Continuously number of days the bulb glowed. Not 2 days. Number of days it glowed. Finally he did with this, that, this, means again he tried with platinum wire, he tried with cotton, he tried with bamboo. And not only this, he tried with many things, and finally what he decided means, cotton filament was the best and better than bamboo one, he decided. Now what we are doing, we are using the filament which is made with the tungsten. Did you understand how he did the hard work? So the people who want to become a scientist, what you have to do, you should, number of times if you fail also, you should not feel bad. What you have to do? You have to try for the success. Okay. Next what we are going to do is about simple electric circuit. What is the next one? See here. Simple electric circuit. For this, what are the things required? You have to take 4 different colors wire. 4 different colored wires of red, green, yellow, and blue. Okay, red, green, yellow and blue. And you have to take a cell. Now, how to connect a
Start.
So see here, open your textbook activity 2. Why? Because why I asked to open the textbook, if you see the diagram itself, you can understand. What are the things you have to do? Take 4 different colored wires of blue, green, red, yellow. Each of how many? 15 centimeters long. Electrical wires of covered with the plastic. Why? Because directly we cannot touch the metal wires. Is it correct or not? They must be coated with the plastic. Then electric wires are covered with plastic. First remove about 2 centimeters. Why? Because these wires must be connected together. Then only your circuit will be complete. Okay, got the point. Then now add 2 wires, blue and green. See here, what we have to do? Connect blue and green wire. The second one is connect red and yellow wire. Connect blue and green wire and red and yellow wire. You can use the cell holder to hold this thing. Why I am asking you to see in the textbook, you please try to observe. Take an old inner tube of a bicycle and cut it into, means you have to keep for this cell a rubber band. Okay, for suppose this is the cell. Okay, to one side what we have to connect? We have to connect blue and green wires. Okay, to this side we have to connect red and yellow wire. Okay, and this system should not move, no? So we are connecting with a rubber band. Now these 4 wires must be connected. When these all are connected together, the circuit is completed. If there is no connection between this, is the circuit completed? No. Then if there is no connection between these 2 wires, is the circuit completed? No. If there is no connection between these 2, the circuit is not done. In this, 1 wire is removed also, the circuit is incomplete. In this, 1 wire is removed also, the circuit is incomplete. Here all the wires must be connected together and these 4 wires also must be connected together. Then only we will say